Our flight controller supports third-party firmware, including the firmware from the SpeeDB F405 version 3 controller. To flash it, you need to perform the following steps. First, put the flight controller into firmware boot mode. Press and hold the boot button on the flight controller, and while holding it, connect the controller via the USB port. Next, open the Betaflight configurator software. You will see that the bootloader mode has been successfully activated. Navigate to the firmware flasher section. To proceed with flashing, select the appropriate board. Then choose the firmware version, in our case it's 4.5.1, but you can select another version that suits your needs. Before continuing, ensure the pre-configured settings are correct. Keep the radio protocol set to crossfire, leave the telemetry protocol unchanged, and keep the motor protocol as is. However, there are two parameters that must be disabled, as our flight controller does not support them. It is LED strip and OSD digital. After making these adjustments, click the Load Firmware Online button. The flashing process will complete and the flight controller will reboot. The system will recognize it correctly. To confirm that the correct firmware has been flashed, click Connect. In the upper left corner of the interface, you will see the firmware version and the board name specifically. SpeeDB F405 version 3.